everyone. Today we are going to be learning about creating super cool drawings and our very own sprites. Now what happens is on Scratch you have a limited number of sprites, a limited number of backdrops. So today I will be showing you in two videos how to add your own backdrop and how to add your own sprite. Now we'll be starting off with adding a sprite first. So there are two ways of actually doing it. I'll start by deleting this cat sprite. Now, instead of clicking on this button to add the sprite, we'll just hover over it and you would be able to see this pop-up coming up that shows us four options. One is choose a sprite, which you basically click on and you'll see the entire sprites library coming in, and you can select whichever picture you want. So we are not going to be using that. We will be using the paint option. So when you click on paint, you can actually draw whatever sprite you want. See, as I click on paint, I actually get an empty box that does not really have any display of a sprite right now. So I'm not really good at drawing, but I'll just try drawing basic tree for you guys. So you can draw a tree right here in the center, or whatever thing you want to draw as your sprite. I've seen a lot of people draw some super amazing stuff like robots and whatnot. So I will try drawing a tree today using these tools right here. So I'll just explain the tools real quick. We have the paintbrush that can help you just like freehand paint stuff. We've got this fill color one that can basically help you fill the color in whichever closed shape. We've got the line that helps us draw straight lines. We've got square to basically draw a square. Okay, and you've got the circle again that helps you draw a circle. We've got T, where you can actually use to type in text, and eraser to kind of erase things that you don't want. Also, you have the selection kind of tool. You can just select everything. So you can see that I created this box and everything inside the box has been selected. If I now want, I can literally move it around, or in this case, I want to delete it. So I'm just going to press the delete button on my keyboard and ta-da, it's all gone. Okay, now let me explain the things that are there on the top. Let's say if you've selected a square, the square is gonna have an outline and a fill color. So you can change the fill color using this. We have three sliders to kind of change the color, the saturation, the brightness, and you can also change the outline, whatever color you want it to be. So that can be done. Also, you can change the way, like if you want it to be shaded, you can do all of that. Select the two different shades that you want, or if you want a solid color, you could go with that as well. So there are a lot of things that you can do. Now guys, try to bring your creative hats on and let's see what drawing that you guys can make for me today. So I'll just do a basic drawing, which is gonna be a tree. I'll just start by deleting the square. I go to my paintbrush. I know that the tree stem, it's gonna have like the branch, it's gonna have like a brown color. So I'm just trying to, get sort of a brown shade. I think this looks good. Okay. Now I want to increase my brush size because this is like super thin. So I'm probably gonna make it 50. So this gives me like a super thick brush, and I'll try to keep it in the center. So remember, you want to like make like a closed shape to be able to fill it in. So I fill the stem right here, and now I want to kind of okay, I want to get the brush one more time, and I want to change the color to green so that I'm able to draw the leaf part, which is going to be green in color. Okay, so well, I am okay, and I fill this in too. And so the coloring tool only works with closed loops. I'll just try using my paintbrush for this area. Okay, so here I am done with my tree. Now you can see that this sprite has been added to my stage. I can just like adjust it, move it around, put it wherever I want. You can decrease or increase the size as per your liking. So I think I'm just gonna go with an 80. So here's my tree, and you can put a nice sky backdrop. Ta-da! And here's my first drawing. Let's see what you guys have created.